Hello guys, welcome to my new video. In today's video, I'm going to update my Burp Suite software. And as you can see guys, I'm using a version of 2023.3.5 and I'm going to upgrade it for the last version. So first, let's go to help. Then let's go to check for updates to see if there is any updates. And here we go. Actually, there is a new update for 2023.9.1. And I'm going to update my software to this version. So let's click update now. And here we go. Now let's click download. And I'm going to choose the community edition. So if you are using a professional edition, the steps are the same, so you can choose it. But I'm going to select community edition. And then I'm going to choose jar file. And let's click download. And here we go. Let's wait a little bit. And here we go, guys. And now what we are going to do exactly, we are going to change this file with another one exists in the file system. So let's go to the file system, then let's go to user, and then let's go to share, and then let's search for the Burp Suite. And here we go. So we are going to change this file with this one. But first we need to rename the file and make it executable, and then we are going to change it with this one. And so let's open the terminal, and first let's use sudo su to be an admin, and then let's go to downloads folder and let's use ls. Let's copy the name, let's use mv, then let's paste it and let's use burpsuite.jar. And here we go. Now we rename it. And now let's make it executable. So let's use +x and burpsuite.jar. So the next step, we are going to change this file extension to old. So let's go to this path. So I'm going to copy it. Let's go cd, and then let's go in here. Let's make ls. So let's change its extension to old. And here we go. Now we change it. So what we are going to do now, we are going to transfer this file to the other path. So let's back to cd and ls, video home, Kali, downloads. Let's make ls, let's make it clear. So now I'm going to send this file to the other location. So let's say cp burpsuite.jar, then let's send it to the location and let's press enter. And here we go, guys. Now you can see that the file exists in here. So now let's use burp suite. And here we go. Now he's asking for change. Let's make it. Now he's asking for update. Let's accept it. And here we go, guys. As you can see, now it's a 2023.9. So thank you for watching my video and stay tuned for the next videos.